Are you a Dragon City lover? Well, today I'm going to show you how to get Dragon City Mod on iOS and Android with unlimited resources, as you can see right there. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So what you want to do is go to the site zoomods.com, and once you're on this site, guys, we're going to go to the search bar and type in Dragon City. And as you can see, guys, it says Dragon City Mod, so just press on that and wait for it to download. So if you have a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long to download. But anyway, guys, peace out. This is super cool, fully works. So basically, before it actually does download the Dragon City mod, you are going to have to do a verification, which simply means downloading some apps and completing the instructions. These are completely for free, and they're from the official App Store. So let me just show you guys what's going on with my verification window right here. So as you can see, guys, it is going to load. Now, guys, I need to mention I don't have good internet, so I might experience some lag. But as you can see, it says Dragon City Mod Installer. Please install 3 apps to install the mod. So just press on the apps and it will redirect you to the App Store, guys. So as you can see, it brought me to the App Store. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. As you can see, I just have to download 2 of them, so that's pretty easy, guys. So if you guys like Dragon City at all, then be sure to watch my video till the end, because I got so much resources in the Dragon City game, guys. It is not even worth talking about. This method is real, and I want more players to know about it. So if you guys like Dragon City, then be sure to try it out. It's super cool. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is fully updated for 2024, guys. So that's super cool. I will see you guys in another video. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and everything. We can all come together, kumbaya, stuff like that. But peace out, guys. This is real, and I had to make a video about it because it's the Dragon City days.